When I was younger, I always wanted to have a pet fish. Now yesterday I gone ahead and went to buy sea monkeys instead as an alternative. Okay, so I've prepped the water and the instruction says to add the whole packet of the water purifier. So let's go ahead and do that. Looks like I have to dip it into the water. So it says to put the whole packet in. And then it says to stir it for about a minute until it all dissolves. Now it says to wait 24 hours for it to settle, and then tomorrow we'll add the sea monkey eggs.